Kratos. Zeus.
Zeus?
My father.
Your father was Zeus? Well, that explains a lot.
You do not know everything, boy.
No. But at least I know the truth now.
Truth.
Agora só cachorrada.
I'm a god, boy. From another land far from here. When I came to these shores, I chose to live as a man. But the truth is, I was born a god. And so were you.